In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on time tracker on your tasks in ClickUp. So if you want to monitor the progress of any task, you can go ahead and add a time tracker. And by doing so, you'll be able to track the time a task has taken to complete. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and find the task you want to add a timer. And for my case, I want to add a task in project 1. And I have here 2 tasks. I'd like to go ahead and add a timer on task 1. To do so, just click on the task to open it. And here you should be able to see track time. To track time for this task, head over to this add time and then tap on this icon indicated start timer. Now, once you tap on it, you can see it will start to track time for this task. Now this task will be tracked until you go ahead and put an end to it by just stopping it again. So that's how you can turn on time tracker on a task. Below it, you'll be able to see the time spent for the task to be complete. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.